Step into the 2017 Dodge Durango. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: wheel width, 8, ABS and driveline traction control, cruise control, 4-door, urethane steering wheel trim, door pockets, driver, passenger and rear, video monitor location, front legroom, 40.3 and seatbelt pretensioners. Front low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.